Hey everyone, welcome to In Your Space by Milagro Interiors, and my name is Maria. Thank you for joining us. If you're new here, awesome. I hope you can subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell because we have videos coming out every week. And if you've been with us since the beginning, awesome. You guys are great. Thank you so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Today I'm talking about home styling. And here's a little definition of what home styling is. So I home styled 2 rooms in a client's home pre-COVID-19, and I'll be posting both videos. Today will be the dining room and next week will be the living room. So in this video, I work with my client to transform her dining room space. She needed her space to be more functional and more open, and she wanted to see the charm of her style. So what we did was declutter and organize the space and use stuff she had around the home. Home styling doesn't necessarily mean you go out and buy all new furniture and all new accessories. You can, it is part of home styling. You're working with what you have and you're working with new if you need to buy some new stuff. But in this case, we didn't need to buy anything new. It was her style and it was what she loved. So we just worked with what she had. So I hope you liked the video. Have a look and enjoy. So I'm going to show you around a little bit here. So she has some really amazing pieces. Everything is so beautiful. I'm going to open this up tonight so you can have a look. You can see all the fine china that she has. It's beautiful, but the problem is there's so much in here that you cannot really appreciate each piece on its own. So that's one thing you need to do, is to remember that if you put too much and it's all combined together, the beauty is lost. So you have to make sure that you're able to keep it open. And the other thing about keeping it open and fresh is it makes you feel calmer as well. Like, for instance, when you come home and you want to relax and you just sit down in your living room, or if you're sitting in your dining room and you sit and you see all this stuff around you, you'll feel not stressed, but you'll feel like all the clutter, it does affect you, your mood. So again, decluttering, that's number 1. And what I'm going to show you today is, and the other thing I want to mention is in this display here, you don't want to have too many different combinations of things. You want to make sure everything matches, because some china might not match with some old style dishes and so forth. So we're going to fix that. And if you could come here to the table, what I'm going to do is open up the space with the table. So I'm going to take out this leaf. We're going to close the table up so that way you have more flow to walk around the table. When you have guests over, you can put it back definitely, and then you make it bigger and you put the chairs where you need to. But that's one thing, opening up the space. Of course, we're going to get rid of all the stuff here in the corner. There's some plants here. If you can see on this side here, there's also a few things here. There's some plates from trips, which is great. I know you like to showcase your work from where you went on vacation, but maybe you can find a place for it and put it all together in one spot. And yeah, so we're gonna declutter. We're gonna try to get some more flow, and that'll give you a better mood, and you'll feel calmer in your space rather than, again, I'm using the word stress, maybe for lack of a better word, but for myself, if I'm sitting in my house and I have all this stuff around me, I get stressed. So anyway, so let's do the transformation and have a look, and I'll show you soon. So stay tuned. Oh, so this room is fantastic. It's complete. So we took away the leaf, we made the table smaller. As you can remember, you couldn't even walk around Now you can clearly walk around. There's a lot of flow, which is good for Feng Shui. Now we took away all the stuff in the corners. Again, Feng Shui, it's not good to keep stuff hidden in corners because it just attracts the static energy. You need things to flow. Again, here with this corner as well, we opened up all the space and now it's clear, it's organized, it's not too cluttered. And the same with this cabinet here. We took a bunch of plates out, we put some figurines on top, we kept some of the beautiful china, and this is it. So it looks fantastic. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and click the like and notification bell. And next week we will have the part 2 of this video, which was home styling the living room. Take care everyone. Thanks for being here. Ciao for now.